Hello and good afternoon. So hopefully you'll like this. You can like and subscribe, and then that will be cool. What we have is a couple steamboats we've had forever, and they're really cool. As you can see, they're made out of some kind of recycled material. I think they come from India, most of them. This one here we've had for a couple years. They're just the fancy lids. It's an actual functioning steam engine, and what you have is this is a candle that runs it. You see the tubes, the two lines coming in and out, they come into the back of the boat. What you do is you fill it up with water, and when the whole thing is full of water, this is a little brass diaphragm in there. When you have heat underneath, it boils and it'll rattle and spit, and when the water boils, it expands and blows straight out. The steam goes out that way, opposite of which direction, so it's a direct opposite. And then when the water sucks back in, as it contracts, it comes from any direction and goes back in, so it doesn't go back and forth. It goes and puts ahead. So what we'll do is we'll show you how it works. Here, you can hold the camera, and then what we'll do is we'll fill this up with water so that the steam engine is full. And here we go. Okay, it should be full, right?
Yep.
And then because we want, we'll put the front on just so it looks cool. Put it in here, and we'll take our little candle. This candle here has got just a cotton ball with Vaseline in it, but we've used a birthday candle. We're going to put it underneath there so that it's right underneath the little engine. You can see how it's sitting in there, right? When it gets enough to boil, guess what happens? There you go. This is strange. We've done it with a birthday candle. It works a little better. Let's fiddle with the heat. So how do you like that? That's pretty cool, eh? So, is that better than a science experiment? Let's try it again. Here, hold the camera, and we'll light it on fire again just for a second. Because it can't be any more fun than that. So, like and subscribe. We'll make some other cool videos for you.